see here, 1 2 3 4, right? So now look at this. Let's just come back here and then let's make 4 div with the class names item. Look at this, dot item star 4 tab. There we go. Okay, now let's go back there and let's see what do we have. First of all, we have image, and then do you see all the informations on this card? We're gonna make just one div and we're gonna put all the information inside there. So I'm gonna name this one image and this one will be called details. Okay, let me show you how you're gonna do the thing. So for now, I will not touch these 3. I will just work with this one. Okay, let's just first of all perfect only one div. Okay, and then we can just perfect the other things by just copy pasting the thing. Let me show you what I mean by that. Okay guys, inside here I'm going to write img tab. Okay, this will hold my image. Don't write. Okay, just put your cursor inside the source and then hit control space. You're gonna see this images, enter, and then we're gonna select the image number 1 like this. Okay, save the thing. Let's look at the result. Okay guys, if you look at the result, you can see that the image is huge. Come over here on your index.html. Okay, do you see this image here? Just write here width, okay, equal to double quote, just put 200. Okay, like this. Don't put pixels, just 200 as it is. Okay, it's still gonna work like a pixel, don't worry. Just save the thing. Let's look at the result. You see the image becomes smaller. Perfect. Next up, we're gonna put the details. Can you see these details here? So let's go and put those details by coming to the HTML, and below the image we're gonna make another div with the class name dot details. Look at this, dot details tab. There we go. You see? Okay guys, inside these details we're gonna have the title tag, the description. Let me show you what we're gonna have. First of all, we're gonna have the title tag, the description, the price, and the buttons. Okay, let's make those things. Let's just come over here, and here inside here you're gonna write h3 tab. Okay, we're gonna write here casual shirt like this. There we go. Now below this one we're gonna make a p tag. Okay, p tab. Then you're gonna write lorem 7, or you can just specify any word you like. Okay, then you're gonna hit tab like this. There we go. Okay, now guys, below this one we're gonna have 2 things together. Okay, let me just show you one second. So this is price and the buttons. We're gonna have a one div, and inside that div we're gonna have both the price and the buttons. Let me show you what I mean by that. Okay, so you just come over here, and below the p tag, look at this, we're gonna write here dot price minus quantity. Okay, something like this. There we go. Now inside here, look at this, h2 tab. Here we're gonna have the price. Okay, $45. Okay, save it. Let's look at the result. So you're gonna see the $45 here. Now guys, let's make the buttons. Okay, so in order to make the buttons, look at this, below the price, guys, you're gonna make a div with a class name buttons. Look at this, dot buttons tab. Okay, now guys, inside here we're gonna use bootstrap icons. In order to use bootstrap icons, you just come over here, and then you're gonna write here icons.getbootstrap.com. okay, this website. So guys, we're gonna use icons from this website. Okay, now you're gonna scroll down, you're gonna see a small search bar here. Just come here and then write plus. Okay, now if you scroll down, then you're gonna see this plus. Another thing that you're gonna see is plus LG, which is a large size. Okay guys, if you didn't include the CDN link, just copy the link. Okay, then come over to your HTML inside the head tag. Okay, just come here, and if you didn't paste it before, just paste the thing like this. Okay, and then save it. Done. Now we can freely use bootstrap icons into our project. Okay, let's come back here, and where's the large? You see this one here? I'm gonna open it in a new tab, and then I'm gonna copy the thing. Okay, let's go back to our VS Code, scroll down, and use this buttons here inside here. Okay, I'm gonna paste the thing like this, save it. Okay, let's go back, and now I'm gonna get minus. Okay, like this, minus. Okay, now you're gonna see 2 dash. This is the small one, I mean the standard one, and this is the large one. Okay, so I'm gonna get this one like this. Okay, let's copy the thing. Let's go back. There we go. Now before the plus, I'm gonna put the minus. Okay, there we go. Done. Now guys, between these 2 icons you're gonna have a div with a class name quantity. Let me show you, dot quantity tab. Okay, now you're gonna place 0 here. Okay, what's the reason for putting a 0 between these 2 icons? The main reason is, look at this, this is the plus icon, right? Every time you click on the plus, this number will increment. At the same time, if you click on the minus, this number will decrement. Let me show you a sample from the finalized project. Okay, look at this one. Do you see this one? This is the plus icon, this is the quantity here, and this is the minus. Every time you click on this one, the quantity increases and it shows up here. Every time you click on this one, the quantity decreases and it shows the result here. So guys, I really hope that you understood why I wrote these lines. Okay, Alright guys, with this our markup is complete. Let's save the thing and let's look at the result. Okay, now this is the result so far. It looks like this, but don't worry guys, we're gonna add style so that it looks like